This is Origami Tactical. Combining traditional Eastern martial arts and warfare philosophies with classic Western gunslinging techniques and modernized advanced technological weaponry innovations makes each S-ranked operator 300-degree kill zone of tactical proficiency. Extensive training in close quarters hand-to-hand combat transforms each limb into a weapon while maintaining absolute awareness. Ninjutsu acrobatics capabilities enables each operator to engage targets. In any position, from any angle, under critical levels of gross motor stress. Complete omniscience of surrounding personnel and environmental threats. Systemically integrates combat effectiveness with everyday objects, maximizing potential lethality output, consolidating strength and dexterity in mind and body. Ascertains full co-witness of neurological pathways, giving the highest probable chance of tactical dominance. This is Origami Tactical. Always remember to stay tactically kawaii.
What about the gun? You don't have the gun anymore. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, go. Oh, great.